Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the composition and the layer that will carry your chaser. Enable the envelope editor and pick a timing, BPM, frames, or milliseconds, so steps lock to your show. Then create a new chaser device and immediately route its outputs to the parameters you want animated, like opacity, position, or effect mixes. Once done, name the chaser and pick a step resolution. This makes future adjustments predictable and keeps everything synchronized with your tempo. You craft the middle by building the step sequence and assigning exact values. Add steps, duplicate to repeat patterns, and set each step length with easing so movement feels natural. Make sure to map those step outputs to specific clip or effect parameters and use presets when you need complex states quickly. Once you have a working sequence, experiment with playback modes, forward, ping-pong, random, to change the behavior without editing every step, and test timing against your composition. You finish by deciding how the chaser starts, manual button, MIDI/OSC note, or synchronized to transport and BPM. Then connect intensity controls or envelopes and expose macros for live mixing. This gives you on-the-fly control. Once triggered, make sure to save the chaser preset and test it at show level. If it stutters or jumps, check frame rate consistency, audio buffer size, and that the chaser's outputs aren't routed twice. This single check fixes most timing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.